Hello and welcome to Lee Dodge Jeep Ram in Wilson, North Carolina on a windy day. Sorry about all the wind in the microphone, but hey, I wanted to take just a minute to show you what just came in. This is a 2019 Ram 1500. This is the Laramie package. It is a crew cab, four-wheel drive, 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine. The color you're seeing is called Billet Silver. Hey guys, if you're looking for a truck, we've got it right here. This is priced to get out of here today. Let's take a look on the inside. You're going to be surprised. If you've not been in a Ram truck, look at the leg room. Hey, I'm 6'4". Look at me. That's plenty of room for big adults, kids, pets. It doesn't matter. Hey, by the way, you've got keyless entry. You've got the tailgate release, remote start. Now up front, you got the power windows, mirrors and door locks, and you've also got the retractable mirrors. Take a look at the seats. Guys, you're not going to find a better truck. Let me crank it up real quick. 32,800 miles. Take a look. There's your backup camera. Hey guys, this thing is loaded to the gills. You will not find a better truck at a better price anywhere. We're at Lee Dodge Jeep Ram, Wilson, North Carolina, 3700 Raleigh Road Parkway West. Thanks for the time. We'll see you soon.